Hey guys, Josh here, and I'm the Movement Mobility Specialist at Inver Chiropractic. Today I want to talk to you guys about thoracic outlet syndrome and some exercises that we can do to help relieve that. So the first one that we're going to do, take the lacrosse ball here, or if you don't have a lacrosse ball, you can use a tennis ball at home. What you're going to do is place it right at the top, the chest, you're kind of right where it goes into the shoulder. Kind of put it in there, and then what we're going to do here, lean against the wall, and you're going to take that arm, moving it up and down, helping to release the muscles there. So what it looks like here, we'll just take the ball, put it kind of right at the top of the chest and that shoulder. And what you're going to do is move that arm up and down, working on relaxing the muscle there. Next exercise that we're going to do, we're just going to come to the corner of a wall. So you can use the corner of a wall at home, you can use the door frame. What you're going to do here is kind of bend your arm just like this, go onto the corner of the wall. You're going to keep your feet face one way. What you're going to do is kind of open up, really focus on stretching out that area. So just going to lean out, stretch it there. Give that about a 20-second hold. Do it on the other side. Repeat that 2 or 3 times until you start to get it to relax. Next one that we're going to do is going to be snow angels down on a foam roller. So what we're going to do here is lay on the foam roller, kind of setting it up so it's right on the spine here. And then what we're going to do is line up so with the top of the roller here. It's right about at the base of the neck. Just kind of move your feet out to balance you, stabilize you a little bit more on it. What you're going to do is bring your arms out to the side. You're going to come up and down. Just kind of let gravity pull your arms down. And there are going to be some spots when you move up and down. You know, the top of your hands are going to be brushing against the ground. Other times they'll pop up. We'll get about 15 up and down here with the arms. Just really focusing on getting that area to open up nice and loose, giving you some relief. So give those exercises a try. Hopefully they can help you guys out, give you some relief. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and we'll get back to you guys. Have a great day.